चट्टा लगाएर खाऊँ है। तपाईहरुलाई बटुक भनेको थाहा छ कि थाहा छैन गाइस? थाहा छ भने प्लिज कमेन्ट गर्नुहोस् होला है। Hey guys, नमस्ते, स्वागत छ मेरो च्यानलमा फेरि पनि। थ्यांक यू सो मच फर वाचिङ। सो आजको मुकब्याङमा चाहिँ मैले बटुक अनि यो आलु साधेको खानु आँटेको। यो बटुक चाहिँ मम्मीले बनाउनु भएको, यो आलु साधेको चाहिँ यो स्ट्रुलीले बनाएकी। या सो अब चाहिँ चट्टा लगाएर खाऊँ है। तपाईहरुलाई बटुक भनेको थाहा छ कि थाहा छैन गाइस? थाहा छ भने प्लिज कमेन्ट गर्नुहोस् होला है। यो चाहिँ बकविट पिठोको हो। ओ माई गॉड, मेरो छोरा बाहिर जानु मन लाग्यो। बाहिर जानु मन लाग्यो क्या सन्देशले। खाजा खाइसक्यो मेरो सन्देशको डे इन माई लाइफ मुकबाङ। डे इन माई लाइफ वाट ही इट्स डे इन माई लाइफ भ्लग खिचेको आज। मेरो छोरा ओ माई गॉड। Don't worry, he's fine. He just cries for literally like हुन्छ नि चित्त बुझेन भने रुन्छ क्या। like nothing, it's not end of the world हैन। like उलाई त्यति साह्रो केही भएको छैन तर express त्यसरी गर्छ क्या। because obviously he can't speak, that's why he can't talk yet. Anyway, second time mother भएपछि चाहिँ एकदमै चिल हुँदो रहेछ क्या। whereas first time mom भएको बेला if he had cried like that, I would just run to see him like के गर्दैछ भनेर क्या। अनि I really trust my mother-in-law as well, like हुन्छ नि। so she's full in charge with my son. I'm totally chilled out, so please don't judge just by looking at one video हैन। छिटो जज नगर्नु किनभने if you are a mom then only you will understand. Anyway, I really want to talk about like हुन्छ नि I got this idea हेडमा आउँछ है तर I just 2 step backwards जान्छु क्या। फेरि म 1 step back 1 step गरौँ जस्तो लाग्छ अनि I go 2 step backwards क्या। because like हुन्छ नि if you are like honest and if you are pouring all your emotions and vulnerable रहेछ, people are just gonna laugh at you होइन. सुरुमा चाहिँ सपोर्ट गरे जस्तै देखाउँदा रहेछ होइन, तर हुन्छ नि at the end of the day हुन्छ नि people like beautiful stuffs होइन, people like all के भन्नु अब perfect life होइन. So that's why I really don't want to share like my vulnerability. It's so sad. It is what it is, you know. It's really sad. I started this channel like it's gonna be like 10 years now. I'm gonna do another video. Well, it's gonna be 10 years now, you know. Only I have grown as a person, as like हुन्छ नि बाहिरबाट like it's not all त्यस्तो राम्रो तपाईहरुले देख्नु हुँदैन होला, तर भित्रबाट चाहिँ I have grown so beautifully. I have grown as a person who love myself, who is comfortable in my own skin, and not scared of people trying to put me down. I'm never scared, and I'm never scared to, you know, open up, be honest, be truthful, be who am I, like हुन्छ नि. So it's so sad like हुन्छ नि एउटा इन्सिडेन्टले एउटा एक्सपिरियन्सले मान्छेलाई चट्ट लाएर जज गर्नुहुन्छ. That is so sad किनभने every day event we learn something. Every day relationship it's different. Like आज मलाई यस्तो भएको छ भने भोलिपल्ट मलाई त्यही एक्सपिरियन्सले मलाई त्यस्तो हुँदैन. So like, you know, it's a lot. I really want to share a lot, but to be honest, I don't want to give all that energy that I used to give in the past days, because it's really not worth it रहेछ क्या, मैले थाहा पाएँ. So I'm just gonna be me. I'm just gonna be like हुन्छ नि love myself, care for myself, care my emotions, instead of like pouring out my emotions, pouring out my vulnerability and letting people judge me. That's fine, you can judge me, तर त्यस्तो सपोर्ट चाहिँ पाउँदैन भनेर मैले थाहा पाएँ भन्नु खोजेको. Oh my god, there is a lot I want to share with you guys, seriously, but I don't want to. I don't want to give my energy, yeah, because like it's not worth it. So mostly a big advice I would say, please be selfish, please be mindful of who you want to give all your time and energy. Okay, and love your family, spend time with them, treasure them, take pictures, take videos. There are people gonna be like, oh बच्चाको भिडियो भ्युजको लागि गरेको, तर no, it's all for you. So just मेरो advice चाहिँ त्यही हो है. I'll be like talking randomly, you know, not like before, but yeah, thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much for subscribing me. So I hope you all are doing good. I hope your year has started nice, in a nice way. The year, it was so beautiful. It started with a bang. It was, I hope हुन्छ नि look after your health, because health is very very important. Eat good food, eat like good food, like Asmin, who gives you like good energy. क्या junk foodहरू धेरै नखानुहोस्. I have always mentioned this before. You can eat like once. Oh, why I am giving you advice, sorry. That was so beautiful. कस्तो राम्रो खाना भाइ. I am not sort of like aloo person, who loves aloo. तर मलाई चाहिँ यस्तो साँदेको आलुहरू अनि के अरे समोसाहरू अति मनपर्छ क्या. तर आम नट लाइक आलु दम पर्सन क्या. आई लभ उसिनेको आलु अनि साँदेको आलु. ओके, आइकर्को तपाईँहरूलाई चाहिँ कस्तो खालको आलु मनपर्छ कमेन्ट गर्नु ल. आई वुड लभ टु नो द्याट. ल म आएँ. Thank you so much for good food. Thank you so much for giving me this all positive energy. I would love to eat more of this kind of food in my coming days. I hope I don't gratitude. I hope like मलाई चाहिँ junk foodहरू धेरै easily grab on नहोस्. I know it's very easy to eat junk foodsहरू, तर I pray for good health. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye. Peace out.